Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I recreated this trendy puffy sleeve. So the sleeve is divided into two parts, the flare part and the puffy part. So what I did is take out 5 inches from the length of my sleeve, which is going to be replaced with the flare piece. And then for the puffy part, I folded my fabric here into 4, measuring 14 inches on fold. And then for the length, I added extra 6 inches to the upper half of my length. Here I went on to make an S curve on this part and I cut that out. And because the sleeve is folded into 4, the lace is folded into 4, this part is still on fold. So I'm going to be cutting it open as well. Now after that, I open it up like so. And then I'm going to be measuring this lower part. We'll be using that measurement to cut a 360 degrees flare. If you don't know how to cut that, I will link a video down in the description box below. What you do basically is to measure that point and then divide it by 6.28 and then add the length of your sleeve to it plus allowance. So in this case 5 inches, so we're going to be adding 6 to it, 6 inches to your radius to get the complete fabric you put on fold. Next, now I am cutting the flare piece, as you can see. And then I went ahead to cut my radius because I didn't have enough of the lace. My length was not as long as I would have loved for it to be. And also the fuller the sleeve is, that's the puffy part, the more beautiful it looks. So if you have enough fabric, you make it fuller, your fold should be more than 14 inches. After cutting the flare, I went ahead to open it up. I folded in such a way that I will cut the two at the same time. Next, now we are going to join it right sides together to the lower part of the sleeve. Because I don't have enough fabric, I'll be pleating in a little bit of the excess, which is fine, but if you have enough fabric, there will be no need for that. So here's the fabric now, right sides together, the puffy part and the flare part. I place them together like so. So we're going to pleat that excess in and then place this straight strip over it like so, and then sew using 1/2 inch. After sewing, we are going to open it up and then fold over the flat piece on the seam allowances, and you will have something like this that has formed the casing where our elastic will be passing through. After passing the elastic through, we'll fold the sleeve piece into 2 using right sides together, and then we'll sew 1 inch down. Next, we'll be joining it to the dress. This is what the sleeve looks like. And if you are an OG here, you already know how we do this. Side seam to side seam and then midpoint to shoulder point. After pinning these 2 points, we are going to pin all the way, leaving about 3 inches from the shoulder, or just measure 5 inches from the armhole, from the side seam up, and then pin it the way that it is on both sides, after which you will pleat the excess into the remaining space and go sew using 1/2 of an inch. And that is it on how I made this trendy puffy sleeve. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Please give this video a like and share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already.